Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we present to you a unique shipping container tiny house in Flagstaff, United States. This amazing shipping container tiny house is made from two 20-foot shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together to accommodate an open plan living, one bedroom and one bathroom. Full height glass doors open fully to an open living space fitted with a comfortable couch for lounging and a smart TV mounted on the wall for entertainment, making this place an ideal getaway. The sun shines through the container home, brightening the space and accentuating the surrounding views. Next to the lounge space is a small dining area that can comfortably sit two. The kitchen is a compact, sleek, modern space which features clean-lined custom under-the-counter and overhead cabinets plus modern appliances. Past the kitchen is the master bedroom and the bathroom. The master bedroom is fitted with a comfortable double bed, a closet space, and a big glass door that lights up the bed space with a clear view of the outdoors. The glass doors open wide onto a small patio to extend the bed space to the outdoors. Adjoining the master bedroom is a modern bathroom featuring a custom tiled walk-in shower, a toilet, and a modern wash-hand basin. The metal partitions of the shipping containers are visible in selected areas on the indoors, bringing out the industrial character of the design. From outside, the grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout, bringing out the industrial charm of the design. Which part of this amazing shipping container tiny home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video or you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase this kind of content featuring amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.